Berfine, how good to
Hello.
see you again. It is good to see you again.
It's good to see you too, Mr. Barney. We miss you.
And I missed you too. I did. I'm excited though to hear. I hear you have some news you want to share about English test and about your.
Yes, my English test. I guess. I don't know now. Where am I put? But it's B1.
Good. Okay.
And it's online. We do a tablet.
Okay. Okay.
And it's bad.
Okay. Okay. Now, what about the test the high school test? Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Tell me about that. Do you know about it yet?
Yes, I know. It's not good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Exam is hard.
Yeah.
But I think I can do it. I will do this. But my mark come back.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry it was rough. I'm sorry. Now, I do have to ask you, there's a painting behind you that looks like Spider-Man. Is that your painting?
No, my brother's.
Which one?
Bauer.
Aha. Okay, cool. Cool. Looks good. So, well, I'm sorry the test didn't go the way you wanted it to go. Are you on vacation from school right now?
Yes.
And what are you and your family doing for vacation? Are you going anywhere special?
Yes, no, but my father looks for school.
Okay. Okay. Now, at one time you told me you were going to, and I have to remember how to say it, Mardin or Marcin?
Yes, Mardin.
Mardin. Are you going there?
We go there at 15th of August.
Oh, you have a long vacation.
Yes.
Because that's not for almost a month, a little more than a month. Wow.
Yes,
Now,
because we go at time because when we go there, I guess it's fig. Am I right? Fig, grapes,
okay.
and another vegetables grow in August.
Okay. Okay. I understand. Yes, fig is the word, and grapes also. Those are both good words. So when you go to Mardin, do you go in a car, in a train, on an airplane? How do you go?
Bus. With bus.
And how long does it take to get there?
12 hours.
Oh my, it's a long ride, isn't it?
It's long, but it's really cool. I like bus travel.
Good for you. Good for you. Well, you have a good attitude about that. That's nice. Okay. So right now you don't have school, but you're staying at home. Do you do any special things like go swimming or meet your friends or anything? Do you do anything?
Not for now. After maybe 5 days, we can do swim and sports.
Okay.
In this time, we do my brother's 5th grade lessons.
Okay.
We do paint. And watch or play some painting. Yes. This is my brother's first canvas.
Okay. Okay. It's a good start. I know many boys in the United States, they are crazy about Spider-Man. They really, really like Spider-Man.
Yes.
Now, what about you? Do you like Spider-Man?
My brother too.
Pardon?
I like.
You like it? Good.
I like. Yes.
All right. Good. Very good. All right. Well, are you ready to get started?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started. So I wanted to start first of all by looking at, I'm going to look at 2 words today. And let's take a look at this first one here. Let me turn it over. Okay. This is a little bit difficult to say, but I know that you can do it. Can you say vexatious? Vexatious.
Vexatious.
Vexatious, right.
Vexatious.
And this word is kind of strange. Right here we have T-I in the middle, but it makes a sh sound, like S-H.
Yes.
Vexatious, vexatious. It looks like it should be vexatious, but that's not right. It's vexatious, vexatious.
Vexatious.
Okay. Now, another thing I want you to notice. Many English words that end I-O-U-S, or sometimes just O-U-S, do you know what kind of words they are?
No.
They're adjectives. Adjectives. Okay.
Adjectives.
So let me give an example. Before the test, nerve becomes nervous by adding O-U-S. Joy, very happy, becomes joyous by adding O-U-S.
Oh, yes.
So it's one way to change a word into adjectives by doing that. Now,
all adjectives finish with I-O-U-S?
No, not all, but many do. And in fact, other days we'll do other words that end with different letters. But if you see O-U-S or I-O-U-S, probably it's an adjective. Okay? So,
okay.
Let me tell you a story about vexatious, okay? I'm going to make up a Berfine story about vexatious, okay? So, Berfine was asleep one night when she felt something on her arm. And she turned on the light, and a mosquito, you know what a mosquito is, right?
No.
Here, I'll write it and you translate it.
Oh, I see.
Okay. A mosquito had bit you, and you were a little bit, look at that, I got that, and it itches, and you were a little bit mad, but you looked around and you couldn't see the mosquito. Where did it go? Where did it go? So you went back asleep. And a little while later, you felt something on your other arm and you turned on the light. The mosquito bit you a second time. And you thought, where is that mosquito? And you looked all around and you couldn't find it. And maybe you thought, maybe he went in the other bedroom and he's going to bite Raison. Okay, so no mosquito. But then when you woke up in the morning, you had a red mark on your face and the mosquito bit you 3 times. Your right arm, your left arm, and your face. That mosquito is vexatious. Vexatious.
Vexatious.
Okay? Because vexatious means something bad that happens again and again and again. Okay? Something bad that happens many times. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So it was bad when the mosquito bit you once, but then there was twice, and then there was 3 times. That's vexatious. Okay.
I understand.
All right.
Okay.
So anytime something hard or difficult happens over and over again, that is vexatious. Did you ever have some homework and the homework was vexatious?
Sometimes.
Yeah. For me, it was math class. My other classes were easy, but math was vexatious for me. It was very difficult. English, Spanish, easy. Science, easy. Math was vexatious. What subject is sometimes vexatious for you, Berfine?
Turkish.
Turkish. Other people say that too. One of my students who's the same age as you, he says to me, oh, English is so much easier than Turkish. Do you think that's true? Yeah.
It's true.
All right. Now, I wanted to do one other word today, and this word is a math word. So let's move over here. All right. Perimeter. Perimeter.
Perimeter. Perimeter.
Berfine, by any chance, do you know this word?
No.
Okay. I'm going to show you what perimeter is. Do you see this poster here? Let's count one to
Yes.
two. This is the perimeter.
I understand. And this is perimeter 2.
Right. Or look, I'll show you. Here's Berfine. There she is. Okay. And here's my screen, and perimeter, 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 perimeter. That's the perimeter. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I want to show you something, and I'll bet you already did this in math class. Let me find it here. Here it is. Okay. So, did you do this in math class? How to find perimeter, a rectangle, a triangle,
Yes.
a circle? You did that? So,
Yes.
on a square, you know, all four sides are the same. So, finding the perimeter is easy. If one
Yes.
side 4 centimeters, then the perimeter is, what's 4 times 4? 16. Okay.
Oh.
Now, on this rectangle, they said 7 plus 12 plus 7 plus 12. The perimeter is 38.
I see.
Okay. And this triangle is unusual because it has 3 different sides. So 30 plus 68 plus 64 equals 162. On a circle, we call the perimeter circumference. Okay. And Berfine, have you used this symbol pi?
Yes.
What is pi equal to?
3.
Right.
And sometimes 3 and blah blah.
Yeah, 3 and 1/4. 1/4. 3.14. 3.14, I should say. Okay, so that is perimeter. Berfine, if you were going to put a fence around your house, you would need to find the perimeter.
Yes.
Right? You would need to find the perimeter. Now, let me put this, I'm just curious what it would be. Perimeter. Did you learn about that in math class, chevre? Chevre?
Yes.
Okay, how do I say that right? Chevre?
Yes.
Okay, good. So that's what that is, perimeter. So now here in the United States, we do perimeter maybe in 4th or 5th grade. When did you do perimeter?
At 4th or 3rd grade.
Okay, so about the same time. All right, very good, my young friend. Today, I want to finish with this. You and I looked at this last time, but we are almost finished with it now. In fact, we're completely finished. I just wanted to look at it one more time quickly. So let me change this over. This bird is a
Hyena. No.
The bird.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird, right.
Hare.
Right.
Hippo.
A purple hippo.
Horse.
Good.
Hedgehog.
Very good. You remembered the hedgehog.
Honey.
Very delicious.
Hyena.
That's the hyena. Good, good.
Hamster.
Hamster. This is a hard one.
Harp.
Good, good. And only one more.
I can't remember this.
Can you say that?
Hula hoop.
Hula hoop, right. That is a hula hoop. Very good. Berfine, next time I see you, we're going to start with the letter I, okay? So that was the last one with that. You did a good job with that. All right, my friend. When I talked to you last time, we started looking at these words. Would you please pronounce these words for me?
Yes. Gold, salt, roast, coal, show, bowl, snow, coast, slow, float, soak, loaf, scold, gross, blow.
Very good, very good. Good job, Berfine. That's great. Berfine, let's look at row 1. This is how you cook something, especially meat.
Roast.
You would roast it. Very good. This is a mineral, a rock. It's black and it burns.
It's coal.
Very good, Berfine. You remember that well. All right, Berfine, this is something that goes on top of the water, not under the water. A boat does this. If you're a good swimmer, you can do this.
I'm not a good swimmer.
Do you need some
But-
help?
I want to make a guess.
Go ahead.
Float.
Very good. That's all I want you to do is do your best and make a guess. Is that float in Turkish? Is that how you say it?
Shamandra.
Dira. Okay. So float. Very good. This is near the Black Sea on the northern part of Turkey and near the Mediterranean Sea on the southern part of Turkey.
Coast.
Coast. Very good. Okay. Down at the bottom. This is to get very, very wet. To get really, really wet.
Soak.
Very good. This is when you do something that you shouldn't do and your dad says, Berfine, don't you do that again. That was very bad.
Gross.
Good try. That's scold. Scold.
Scold.
Scold. Someday when you're a mom, I'm sure there's going to be a time when you have to scold your children. Don't do that. Stop that. Right?
Yes.
That happens. That happens. Oh, and one more. This is bread. It's a whole thing of bread before you cut it up.
Loaf.
Loaf, right? A loaf of bread. All right, Berfine, I'm going to take the words and copy them and put them in the chat. All right, there they are. Now let's go down a little bit. Okay. Berfine, in which words do you see the word old?
Gold.
Gold and
Salt.
sold. Oak is a kind of tree. It's a very big, tall, strong tree. Where do you
Yes.
see the word oak?
Soak.
Very good. Cold. I don't need to tell you what cold means. Where do you see the word cold?
Scold.
Great. And where do you see oat?
Float. Float.
In float. Very good. And last one. Where do you see the word low?
Blow. Slow.
Very good. Blow and slow. Very good. Very good. By the way, oat. Let me put this in the chat real quickly. Do you see what oat is?
Yes.
Yeah. Here in the United States, yeah, many children have oats for breakfast in the morning. And I know
Yes.
animals also like cows and horses, they also like oats, to eat oats. Okay, are you good? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, now, when you and I talked last time, Dorothy has gone to the land of Oz, and she met two friends. One friend is the, do you remember he was made of straw? Do you remember who he was?
I can't remember the name of it.
He was a scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
Okay. And the other man was a tin woodsman. Okay.
Tin Woodman.
I'm going to put this here. Scarecrow. There's what that is. And the Tin Woodsman. See what he is?
I see.
Okay. Now, today he's going to meet this character. A cowardly lion. Okay. And I want to help you with that word cowardly. That's coward. Korkak?
Yes, korkak.
I'm afraid. Okay. That's the way a coward is. So they're going to meet a lion, and most lions are very strong and big. Not this lion. Okay, so let's get started. Here we go. And remember, Berfine, if you ever can't hear it, please tell me right away.
Okay.
Wonderful chapter
You can?
I can.
Okay.
4, The Cowardly Lion.
When will we be out of this forest? Dorothy asked the Tin Man. I don't know, he replied.
I can hear it, but the voice comes different.
Yeah, it did this yesterday. Let me try it again. Let me start it again and see if we can get it working right.
When will we be out of this forest? Dorothy asked the Tin Man.
I don't know what to tell you. Berfine, how about if I read it for you? Or we can take turns reading it. Okay? All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it on silent here. When will we be out of this forest? Dorothy asked the Tin Man.
Oh, I don't know, he replied, but we are safe.
Okay, at least they're safe. I have my axe and my oil can. Nothing but fire can hurt the scarecrow.
And you have the kiss of the good witch on your forehead.
Some people think if you kiss a child, it helps to protect the child. Okay. Who will protect Toto? Asked Dorothy nervously. Who is Toto?
The dog.
The dog, right. Okay.
Suddenly, a lion jumped into the road and made a terrible roar.
With one blow of his paw, the lion sent the scarecrow spinning, and with another blow, he struck the Tin Man down. So I'm going to show you my little hedgehog. When they say blow, they mean this. Boom, a hard hit. Okay. So
I understand.
Blow means other things, but here it means a hard hit. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Toto barked and rushed toward the lion.
Barked. Roof, roof, roof. Like
Barked.
Dogs do. Okay.
Bark.
The lion opened his mouth, and Dorothy was frightened for Toto.
She slapped the lion on the on his nose as hard as she could.
She's brave. She slapped the lion.
Yes.
Don't you dare bite Toto, screamed Dorothy.
You shouldn't be ashamed. A big lion like you biting a little dog.
Right. Ashamed means he's being a coward, picking on a little dog, you know, just a little tiny dog. I didn't bite him, said the lion.
No, but you tried to, said Dorothy. You are nothing but a big
Coward.
Coward.
Yes, said the lion, hanging his head in shame.
I can't help it. I've always been a coward.
Why are you a coward? Asked Dorothy, looking at the great beast in surprise. Dorothy's surprised because he's very big and he's very strong, but he's a coward.
He was as big as a small horse.
I don't know, he replied. I guess I was born this way.
I've never had a fight. I've only had to roar.
That's not right, said the Scarecrow. A lion should be brave.
Yes, said Lion, wiping a tear from his eye with his tail.
So he takes his tail and he wipes his eyes because he's crying. He is a coward, he cries. But whenever there is danger, I get scared.
You shouldn't need to some courage, said the Tin Man.
Now, Berfine, read that line again.
You shouldn't.
You just need
You just need some courage.
courage. And do you understand courage, Berfine?
No.
Okay, let me write it in the chat. Here it is in Turkish. See that?
I see.
And there it is again in English. All right, let me try one more time and see if we can hear it, if it's any better.
Yes,
said the lion
What?
tearfully.
I need courage.
You should come with us, said Dorothy.
We're going to see the wizard,
Added the Tin Man.
The wizard?
Asked the lion. Yes, the Wizard of Oz, explained Dorothy. I want to go home. The Scarecrow wants a brain, the Tin Man wants a heart, and you need courage.
Yes, courage.
Said the lion.
I want to ask for courage.
They camped under a large tree near a small stream. Dorothy and Toto ate the last of their bread.
Take these.
Said the Scarecrow, giving Dorothy a handful of nuts.
If squirrels can eat them, then so can you.
That makes sense.
Oh, thank you, said Dorothy.
All right, Berfine, let's see how much. Oh, we're almost out of time. We'll continue here tomorrow when they continue their trip. Not tomorrow, but when I see you next week, okay?
Okay.
All right, Berfine, it makes me so happy to see you again. I'm glad that you're doing well. And
Thank you,
tell
Mr.
your
Ryan.
brothers I like the Spider-Man painting, okay?
Okay, Mr. Ryan.
Good night. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mr. Barney. Good afternoon.